Hey guys, it's Sean from RecPro.com, and today we're very excited to be bringing you our brand new Dinette Table Tops. Now, what's so exciting about these new tabletops is not only the design pattern, which comes in a Luna Imperial or granite chocolate, and as you can see is very good looking, aesthetically pleasing, but also they are incredibly light. They are made from a material called lamellite, which will reduce the weight of tables in your RV by 40%. Now, you might think, that's really light. Will they stand up to the rigors of the road? Yes, they will. These actually will stand up to 2,000 pounds of pressure before they will show any signs of breaking. So they're strong, they're light, and they look great. And you should add one to your RV. Thanks very much for watching. Subscribe below.